beautiful people. Today I am making soursop ice cream. I was able to get the last soursop from my tree, which was nice and green, but after a few days, it started to change color because of the heat. When I cut my soursop, I wanted to cry. Inside it was mostly dark, but as you can see, there was some good parts which I will be using for this soursop ice cream recipe. Remove the seeds and the outer layer, leaving only the pulp. I was so happy because I still managed to get 1 cup of soursop pulp. In a large blender, add 1 cup soursop pulp, ½ cup heavy cream, ¼ cup condensed milk, ½ teaspoon vanilla essence, and 1 teaspoon lemon juice. Blend until nice and smooth. Pour the mixture in a large bowl and use a spoon to smooth the top. Lay plastic wrap over the ice cream, then cover the container with the lid. Place the ice cream in the freezer until it solidifies. Then scoop the ice cream and enjoy. As you can see, there is no need for an ice cream maker. The blender works well. A few people tried this recipe and enjoyed it to the max. So now it's your turn to try this recipe and let me know in the comment section below how it actually turned out for you. Don't forget to like this video, share it with a family member or friend, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tasty DIY adventure. See you soon!